It was 2:14 a.m. when Jessie's doorbell rang. She checked the camera feed, but no one was there. Then, the screen glitched. For half a second, she saw herself standing outside, and then the feed went black. Jessie walked down the hallway, opened the front door, rain pouring in, but the porch was empty. Suddenly, the motion light turned on, way out in the yard. Her phone buzzed again. Motion detected. She opened the feed and saw herself outside, dripping wet, smiling. She froze. Behind her, wet footprints started to appear. One by one. Let me in. Some doors opened themselves.